àtúnkìyín káàbọ̀ sórí ètò lónìí ọ̀dẹ̀ odò bí ṣàlàáfíà látún bá yín ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad mà ti wá serious gidi ẹ wá gbọ́ voice note tí Wùmí fi síta láìpẹ́ yìí níbi tó ti fi òkò ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú ránṣẹ́ sí gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣépè fún Liam lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ó tún wá sọ nǹkan kan ó sọ̀rọ̀ Wùmí sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ń polongo Liam ó ní nígbà míì ó ní ire máa ń bẹ nínú ibi ó ní ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí pé gbogbo bó ṣe ń polongo Liam tán pariwo rẹ̀ lọ́tún lọ́sì ó ní bí ìgbà pé wọ́n bò ń polongo ọmọ òun kọ́ ọmọ òun lè lókìkí ni ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára o kéèsì Mohbad yìí ó ti wá ibi tó ń dorí kọ gangan kò fẹ́ẹ̀ géèyàn mọ́ rárá kí mọ́ wá gbà wá lásìkò tó pọ̀ jù Digi Naija tẹlifíṣàn náà lẹ ti ń wò mí tẹ́ ti ń gbọ́ mi ní dédé àsìkò yìí ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ káàsán ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ibi tẹ́ ẹ bá wà tẹ́ ẹ bá ti wá subscribe tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ máa tẹ subscribe button tí ń bẹ lábẹ́ fídíò yìí ẹ like kẹ́ comment kẹ́ sì máa share fídíò yìí lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé tó ọ̀hún wọlé báyìí ká gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu Wùmí bó ti ṣe lọ gangan.
As you all know, I have never done this. And this is because my husband, Ilerioluwa, never wanted us. I am not scared to die. Enough is enough. Nigerians, please come to my aid. Please, please, please come to my aid. They have caused on my son severally, and today again they have started. Severally, and today they have started. They have said my son will not reach the age of 1. The same thing done to Mohabd. That his father could not come on social media to ask the public to help. He could not come to ask the public to help him. Nigeria, please help me. I'm doing this now because Ilerioluwa will never forgive me if I don't fight for Liam. He thought keeping quiet and ensuring was the answer until he died. And he had no chance to fight. But I, Wunmi, will fight with my last blood if anyone comes for my son. You guys are trying to gun me down at the inquest. Trying to kidnap me and my son, yet I have kept quiet. I can't even go out in public for fear of my life. My son cannot enjoy the other kids. He cannot enjoy the things other kids enjoy because of you guys. Why? You are taking my son's right of freedom from him. But today I'm calling Nigerians to please come to my aid. Even if they eventually kill me, please let Liam live. Please let Liam live. Let Liam live. Please, I'm begging you. You are taking my son's right away from me. You are taking my son's right of freedom from me. Please, I'm calling Nigerians to please come to my aid. I am too young for the things they are pointing me through. Nigerians, is it until I die? You always stand for me and my son. This is the same thing about tell you guys to do, but nobody help. Please, Nigerians, is it until you don't want Ilerioluwa to live? Please help me. When my husband came out, he was labeled a drug dealer. Now they are using DNA to keep me short. When my husband came out, he was labeled a drug killer. He was labeled a drug user. And that pulled down his self-esteem and made him ashamed to show his vulnerability. I will not be ashamed. Once, just like you all abused Mohabd when he was alive. Abused me. I am used to all this pain. Pain bloggers to do everything for me. I am used to all this. They all did that to Mohabd. They publicly do all these things to him. They gave him